creating a customer order, we can start here on this screen and click on order, or we can come up to sales and new order. We will find our customer by the customer ID. We can do partial name, address. The top section here are sales notes. These are only for your salespeople to see. They will never print on a customer order. Below is the open orders information, and below that is the completed transactions and your open transactions amounts. From here, we'll go ahead and click on the copy sold to information if it's going to the same address. If we are delivering to a different address, we can type in the customer's information on the right-hand side. In here, we'll go ahead and click New Model to add our items onto the order. We grab the item here. We can see all of the accessories that we can add to the items. If we have any available in stock, we would see ones here that have an open space for the AR and the customer. And we can continue to add items by clicking on the plus sign. And if we did want to add the delivery and maybe a haul-away, we can add those items by clicking right on the green. We'll have a quantity added in here. Once we've finished adding everything that we want to add to the order, we'll hit the check mark at the bottom. From here, the salesperson should either allocate an item that is not already allocated to another customer. If they click on the allocate and they have items already allocated to customers, hit the X because we do not want to steal from somebody else, and click the request. If there's special notes that we need to add for the purchaser, we can add those in, or we can continue without adding a comment.
To allocate and request inventory from a customer order, once you've added the items, if you have them in stock, you can click the green allocate to allocate a serial number. You can click the check mark once you've selected the serial number from the drop-down list. You can also type in partial serial numbers. If it's already allocated to another customer order, you'll get this pop-up message. To request product to be ordered, you can click the request button and put any comments. It will show on request, or you can request multiple by highlighting the items you want and click request ordering. If you highlight items that have already been requested and click request ordering, it will put it to the model's requested screen twice. Once the model's on request, it will appear under purchase and payables, models requested, for the purchaser to order. Once that piece comes in, it will automatically allocate to this customer order.